I say hoo-hoo because I nearly fucking fell over. What we, I don't know if you've been watching my other videos, obviously you know we're making a forge come... What the fuck was that? Forge come furnace. Forge furnace. So now I want to make the crucible. So I thought, well, I'll put the camera on, because as you know I don't do anything in a normal everyday sort of fashion. Pointless, isn't it? Pointless. Let's just do something completely, which I hope is slightly different. So we're keeping this on. You keep the most strangest of shit. Well, you can't fucking move you. There. So we got the arms. These are going to be the arms. We'll grind that off. We'll put a spout, a little spout in it. Here's my little teapot. Here's my, you know what I'm trying to tell you. And we'll just do what we got to do. So first of all, we're going to use these to come out of there like that. It's one of the health and safety things is you don't want this falling, breaking, killing, maiming, spilling on some fucker's foot. Fucker being me. So what we're looking for is one of the many thousand squares. I say many thousand because I own more than fucking one. We're just gonna go half, eyeball half. So I'd say there. There. Oh, that's about fucking half. So I put a line on the inside here now. Right, cut that to that size. We ploughed an hole open. So we want to fit that in there like that. That looks good. That's there. And there. We got a mark on it. Come gather around, people, wherever you roam. If that the waters around you have grown, but you better accept you'll be drenched to the bone. What times they are a-changing. Right, I cut that off with the miller. Things you shouldn't do is what you usually find me doing. See, the more you do now, the less you got to do when you're up and running. I don't want to be like all set up, ready to go, all like suit and collar, and then have things go wrong with me. So, not wrong with me, for fuck's sake. Wrong with it. We know there's something wrong with you. Right. I tell you, the more older you get, the more pain you feel now. I'm feeling everything. The littlest spark I feel. So my tough days are over, boys. You can come and beat me up now if you want to. It's when you have a bath, you've got to take a wheelbarrow because it's just iron filings. I fill the bath with iron fucking filings. I stay because of you, my boy. You are my hope, my pride, my joy. Well, I got no gas, so I'm just tacking it on, alright? So don't think I'm on a finishing run. Oh. She's been up behind me.
I waited for you to stop doing that before I said it. And did you not answer me when I shouted you on coffee? Oh, you got your camera on, did you? You talked to the camera?
Yeah.
I thought it was a job.
No. Okay. Yeah. Right, we can get welding here. Hopefully. I'm over welding. Just in case, you know, if that thing come off, it's going to hurt something. So, overwhelmed. This comes over there, hooks on there, and up it goes. But then this thing on the back, fuck, it's going to be one of them fucking days. This thing on the back, if we haven't fucked it, this thing on the back goes over there, and then there'll be a cup there, so we want to work it out so it just misses that, just misses the cup. We'll screw into the cup like that, and that will go into the cup like that. Then that gives you the thing I'm worried about. Is it too high for balance? That looks good to me. Just got to get down there and weld that. In the event of something happening to me, it's just a photograph of someone that I knew. I'm sure his name was fucking Stu. So it's just a matter of welding a doodler. Right, that's it, mates. It's a simple everyday hook on, lift it out, lean it over, and away to go. But I think we could have put a fire pin on here, a pin on a spring, so you just pull it back and it shoot into that hole. Quite easy to make. So we need to weld a bar on here now, but that's set it and you shall see it working. At least that far away, so let's make it 1 meter long, and then you need to help you leave it over there, I'm thinking.
Thank you!